Hi everybody. In the previous video, we did a short introduction about the tutorial. In today's video, we will download some tools. Create and start a virtual environment. Download Django and create a project. And with the development server, we will see the project in the browser. Please note that for this tutorial we are using Windows. If you are using another operating system, you will have to change some commands. First, we will install Python. Please choose version 3.8 as this is the version in which we will write the application. Now let's install an editor. As we are not writing the code in Django itself, we need an editor. Whichever one you use, it has no impact on functionality. We use Sublime Text for this tutorial. We now have two important tools on our computer: Python and an editor. The last tool we need is the command prompt, which should be already on your computer. Go to search CMD and open it. Don't be intimidated by the black screen. Although we need the command prompt every time we work in our project, we only need to use a few easy commands in it. Now let's create folders for our project. We will name the first one Django. And inside we create another folder, P1, for this project. As you can see, the folders are empty. Now let's go back to the command prompt. An important command is directory up and down. CD for up. CD ... for down. Go to the P1 folder. Now, let's create a virtual environment. This is included in Python. We can use the command python-mvenv. In the background, you can see it created a virtual environment venv in our P1 folder. We can start the virtual environment, which isolates our P1 folder so that our project cannot be impacted by software on our computer, with the command venv \scripts \activate. You should see venv between brackets at the beginning of the location. Your P1 folder is now a virtual environment. Let's download Django into our virtual environment P1 by using the command pip install Django. This shouldn't take too long. We can check if the download was successful by using the command pip freeze. As expected, Django is downloaded, together with some other packages it needs to function. Finally, we can create our project with the command Django-admin start project and then your project name. Ours is Web Ely. In the background, you can see that Django has created our project. If we go into the folder, we see Django has created a subfolder and a manage.py file. We will learn what we need to know about these items later on. Now let's check how the project looks in the editor. As expected, same structure and items as on the background. But what we really want to see is how our project looks in the browser, right? So let's go back to the command and do some Django magic. First CD into your project folder. Then, launch the following command. Python manage.py run server. Explained in a basic way. The run server command changes your computer in a server so that you can see your own app on your own computer, just like what the servers of a hosting company do for websites on the internet. The server is for your computer only, nobody else can connect. To see your application in the browser, type the development server's address 127.0.0.1:8000 in the address bar of the browser. It might take a few moments to kickstart it for the very first time. And there it is. Congratulations everybody, you have now successfully installed your first working web application. Thank you for tuning in. And we hope to see you in our next video.